Tonight, we are celebrating 25 years of serving our community through Nine Family Connection. Over the years, you've seen us invite you to join us at local events that impact Central Florida families, and maybe you've taken part yourself. But do you really know what Nine Family Connection does in our community? Tonight, we'll introduce you to our partners and some of the organizations they have helped. This is a Nine Family Connection special, 25 years of serving the community. Good evening, I'm Greg Warmoth, and welcome to our Nine Family Connection special, 25 years of serving the community. Tonight, you will hear how we work hand in hand with local businesses who we call our partners and several nonprofit organizations on just a few of the initiatives that bring us all together to impact local families. And you'll learn how you can get involved. We could not support those organizations and initiatives without our partners, which are local businesses that walk alongside us each year at events, through on-air initiatives, and even by getting their employees involved to create true community partnerships and impact. Tonight, you'll meet our current Nine Family Connection partners and learn more about the causes and organizations that they work with each year. So together, we can make a difference in so many lives right here in Central Florida. And tonight we start with our longest running Nine Family Connection partner, Stanley Steemer. Welcome again to Connie Gellner. And Connie, I've gotten to know you firsthand and your love and passion for the community, and you've really been a perfect partner for this outreach to our community.
Yeah, we've been Nine Family for 15 years, so it's been a huge part of our company, our community, our employees, so we love being part of it. It's been a great 15 years.
This has been something that when you started, you probably didn't know that you were doing something that would last 15 years. And we are grateful for that, as is the community. This has really been good for us, but really good for you all as well.
It has. It's been amazing because we've been able to streamline the charities that we help. Our number one favorite charity is Pet Alliance. Of course, you know, we just did the numbers, 66% of the population has a pet, so they make messes, so we love being able to clean up after the pets. But also we've been involved with Toys for Tots for 20 years. We've been involved with Special Olympics for many, many years. It's just a passion for our company to be involved in the community and help out. So.
You talked about your favorite, and I think we're going to bring that in now. I never realized why Pet Alliance, until it was said to me, was the perfect partner. But it's good for business when people get pets, but you also, I know you love pets, and let's bring in now Steve. You have been around for a long time. Steve Barty, Executive Director of Pet Alliance of Greater Orlando. And to have someone like Connie as a friend of the organization is huge. Why is it important?
It is a true partnership, and it's great, you know, beyond just the financial agreement and arrangement, that ability to interact with a well-regarded business that's been in this community for a long, long time.
Off in the distance, I hear the faint cries.
You
or
do,
the meows.
you do.
If we could, what do we have here? Michelle is going to bring them.
We brought a friend.
Bring our little four-legged friend, and this is so cute. Tell us about this cute little kitten, and this is just an example of what you all do each day, and we're so grateful for Pet Alliance and for all you do.
Cool. Make some biscuits. So this is Gizmo. Gizmo is one of our 300 kittens that we have at the moment. It is kitten season, so here in Florida, and we take care of lots of these. Say wave to the audience, wave to everybody. As part of what we do every day, our cat shelter is located in downtown Orlando, right across from the soccer stadium, and we opened it about 6 months ago.
So Steve, why are partnerships like the one you've talked about for nonprofits important?
So they're you know, critically important for all nonprofits to have local businesses that support.
Gizmo.
There you go. That support.
Come here, Gizmo.
You know what we do, and to any nonprofit, we rely on so many different revenue streams and sources of support that we want to have, you know, all business engagement, not just Pet Alliance, but Special Olympics, other, you know, nonprofits, and it's good to have ones that are so reliable and dependable.
The devastating fire, Steve, that you all faced,
yes.
We covered it that night. I'll never forget, because I knew the layout and I knew that really had impacted where the kittens were and the cats.
Yes, yes. It did. The shelter was a total loss. We lost 17 cats that night. Fortunately for us, 70% of our animals are in foster homes at any given time. So it's really the nice part about our business model is that we don't want like hundreds of animals in the shelter at any given time. So we work with about 130 foster families throughout the greater Central Florida area. And that really helped kind of mitigate the damage that evening. But starting the next day, we just began plans to move forward and kind of rebuild, and we should have our new shelter open in March of 2025. I keep reminding the builder of that. And we're looking forward to that day. Connie and Mark have been very big supporters of the campaign. They're on our campaign cabinet. So our partnership isn't just about, Furball Gala or, Paws in the Park. Mark and Connie do stuff for us throughout the year, and they have for 2 decades.
And this is exactly why Nine Family Connection was started. And we're so grateful of your partnership. We're grateful that we're able to hopefully help get that message out for nonprofits like yours. And I know that it's been successful, and we're going to continue doing it.
Thank you, Greg.
Thank you both for being here. And thank you, Gizmo. You've been very good on camera.
I did
all right, we'll be right back after this.